Hello guys and welcome to my tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a site icon, and it will show like that. So for example, basically if someone search for your website on Google bar, it will display like that. So no site icon, no favicon. So how to create that? Basically go to your dashboard, so and scroll down here in setting, click on general, and here you can find site icon. So you can choose site icon, so you can download from your media library or upload new file. So here select file, and here is the png file. So basically I create this logo in canva.com, free and easy. So here before you can add some text like emotion, curl, logo, something like that, title. So just basically set as site icon, crop image, and here is the website. So now scroll down and click on save change. So here is your site icon. So here you can refresh, but it may take some of time to display in your Google. But here you can see here, look, if you here you can see your website icon. Thank you for your watching and see you in the next video.